Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Myself ARBINDYADAV. Today I will give the presentation of three websites, and those are working in three fields. One website is related to software testing field and development field. Second website is related to a transportation facility, like we are making the prototype model of Rapido app. And third website is construction field, and those how to work in construction field. So I will explain one by one in our uh, three website. The first, we are going to our first website. First website name is Third Coder Company. This website generally purpose of connect the automation testing, front end developer, and manual testing tester engineer. Here is company logo, here is company, all the feature, home, company service, portfolio, resource, career, contact us. And then we scroll down, here is company establishment year. Then move in, scroll down, and company feature, mobile app testing, website testing, Catalan studio, and quality testing, and all feature are mentioned. Here quick link in mention. Then this is a home page. If you require help and support, contact this particular number and mention in bottom side. So then move and select the company, about the company. What is company working in nowadays? Here company is working in nowadays. These are the functional testing, configuration testing, acceptable testing, and these feature of company profile. Now move to what is the services of company. So the services of company is functional testing, configuration, migration, mitigation, QA process design, software support, mobile app testing, web testing, Catalan studio application, and all many feature in added in company. These are the company feature. Then after we move the portfolio, about the company portfolio, the portfolio about the software engineering portfolio site and collection of project and employees. And here is company, all features should be added. Again we move in next page, resource. A resource of company is, we are using this particular resource and particular function in mention in detail. Then we move to what is the career of the third coder company or manual test engineer. So these are the career opportunity, and here in inquiry form is also mentioned course, district name, mother name, father name, and all time, date always display, and you should fill and then finally submit this form, and your data should be submitted in official website in third coder. Now move to contact us. So the way of process of contact is third coder. Here is third coder official mobile number is here, email ID, website, and head office address, and here is pin code. You will connect and uh, contact for work and support, and for training work, yeah, other things. Then after we are moving next website, our next website name is related to construction field, and this website name is Urban Construction Design Company. Here is phone number, here is email ID, here is head office address, and then here is drop down in mention and work. And then after, here is left corner, right corner, 2D structure, 3D structure, plan survey. And here is heading is mentioned, and heading is moving in marquee operators. Then after we here it about us, service and research block, project, and more also mentioned. So then we move and we see this website in looking view is home page, and this is a view of home page. Now we click the open the first page, about us, in here in company. And this company, this project is currently running us, so that not complete working properly. Here is our services: 2D design, 3D design, architectural drawing design, and these are the mentioned. Now, third one is our research in various civil engineering fields. So, in mention in the research topic. Then we move in next page in block section. Section is equal to scope of civil engineering, computer science, and many more things in blocks should be added and connect with hyperlink. Then our project of civil engineering related in here mention. If you know better project, you will also write here. If you are civil engineer, tick one, tick yes or no. And if you face any type of problem, contact in this particular number. Now, and we move to more option scope, and you will be fill the inquiry for work for your name, father name, mother name, and date of birth, all things in mention. Then after finally submit, and then this is a overview of construction site. This is a home page. And now move in our third website is Rapido website. This website is related to transportation facility. Home page, about us, career, blog, press, contact us, Rapido corporate download app. And then after we moving downward, and how to Rapido corporate work in process. This is mentioned in flow diagram, and advantage of Rapido corporate is mentioned here, and why bike taxi is important. This is also mentioned popular use case, and these are the a brief contact form, and here is a bottom link connection. But this website is uh, currently in developing stage, so that all links should be not connected properly, and all page is not in editing and developing work. So I hope today our three website in explanation is good. So thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel. We will meet after soon. Thank you so much.